We share the exciting moments in the bird's nest. Perform Chinese amorous feelings to the whole world at the G20 summit. Bloom the limitless vitality of Asia and Haixinsha. Respectfully present a fantastic ocean feast in Changlong. Create a bright business card in Macau. Bring the warmth of light to the city. In every important moment of changing people's life, Huayi has been around to brighten good life. As long as there's a light in the world, there's a Huayi. In 1986, a beam of light opened up the forward footsteps of Huayi. Huayi adheres to the concept of it will be good naturally, high quality, and professional route. From the ancient town in the whole country, and from the whole country to the world, it has become famous decorative lighting brands all over the world. Today, Huayi has developed into a diversified group, which gathers the property, investments, and trade as the one, based on decorative lighting, illumination, and engineering. One-step lighting solution for global customers to create more bright possibilities. Huayi always pays attention to customer needs, relying on years of professional experiences to provide customized design and manufacturing scheme for customers. We gathered the senior design team according to the architectural space and the needs of the users. We continue to deepen the creativity and invested the unlimited imagination on the lighting design to create a unique lighting atmosphere. The lighting design of Huayi is the fusion of art gene and technical gene. From design to research and development, it continuously injects new vitality into products. We have a standard process that has a complete system, which will strictly monitor each production link to make sure that every product is in accordance with safety standards. Huayi holds core technology of automatic intelligent production, leads the industry with leading technology, and continuously improves product quality and production efficiency, which is only to satisfy the higher demands and to achieve new industry height. Extreme process is integrated with the pursuit of ingenuity. Experienced senior craftsmen integrate excellent craft into each elegant curve. Through comminuting and fine grinding to create an extraordinary classic. Strict standard achieves quality model. Huayi takes the lead in introducing domestic, first-class equipment and has the first national laboratory for detection and inspection of lamps and light sources at the same time to ensure the quality of the product meets the standards at home and abroad. From the concept to the finished product, from the design to the installation, Huayi's one-stop lighting overall solution makes each product become a unique classic of creating space aesthetics. every guest coming here, all of them have a good look at home. We wholeheartedly provide professional and intimate services to allow customers to enjoy more than their ideal. With the spirit of this wholehearted service, Huayi has successfully established more than 1,800 stores in the country, covering more than 5,000 outlets. The products are sold well in more than 70 countries and regions around the world. More than 30 years of innovation and transcendence, Huayi continues to go ahead with many glorious glories to lead the fashion of global decorative lighting. Facing the future, Huayi will never stop its steps. We will integrate the modern technology force to produce more classic, environment-friendly, and economical lighting products, so as to promote and improve people's life quality. And make the Huayi's light bloom in thousands of cities.